Hi everybody, welcome back to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm Richard, and I want to take a little bit of time here to let you know about sort of a scam that Heritage Manufacturing has going on. Now, if you'll remember, it's been quite a while since I done my first Heritage revolver review, and I said in there I really didn't like Heritage firearms because that funky little safety on the side there. But I went ahead and bought one anyways, and the first one I picked up was this one. This was the 16-inch barrel revolver here with the Betsy Ross grips on it. And after I got it, I thought, you know what? They're really not that bad of a firearm. They're actually pretty fun. This one's a little crazy with that really long barrel on it, but it's kind of fun. And then I went to the store again and I found out that they make this in 3 different barrel lengths. This is the, I think, 6.5. Also with the Betsy Ross grip on it, so you know, obviously I had to have it to go along with the 16-inch barrel one. And then they also make the, I think this is a 5.5-inch barrel, same thing. So it's kind of like a complete set. So I thought, you know what, I got to have the whole set of them. So I went ahead and bought all 3 of them. And then I thought, you know what, I'd like to get one for my wife because really they're inexpensive. And they're pretty fun guns. I mean, inexpensive, 22s are inexpensive. So I went ahead and bought my wife one, the little pink pearl grips on it with the bird's head grip on it. And I really like the bird's head grip too. And I even made her a little holster for it. So, you know, I had to buy that too. And this one actually came with both cylinders. And that's another thing. You can buy them with 1 cylinder or you can buy them with 2 cylinders, but not all of them come with it. Some of them only come with the one and you don't have the option to buy it. So they usually put a coupon in there. If you're going to buy one of these, you can, there'll be a coupon in the box somewhere that says, hey, if you buy one of these, you can get free shipping on a, I know it's in there. It's in there with most of them. You get free shipping on a extra cylinder if you buy one, and they're like 30 bucks, somewhere around there. So then you end up buying another cylinder for it, or sometimes you find one that comes with both cylinders and it's inexpensive. So I ended up buying another one with the bird's head grip on it. This one was for me because I thought, you know what, my wife's got the pink handle one and I've got this one here, which, you know, is a little more manly with the silver and black pearl grips on it, bird's head grip. And it came with both cylinders. So, and really it was, I think I paid like $145 for this with both cylinders. So I thought, well, why am I going to buy an extra cylinder when I can just buy another gun for not that much more? And sometimes when you get old, you forget, you know, what it is you bought, maybe, or maybe you just want a dual wield. So I ended up actually buying 2 of these, not intentionally, but I was okay with it too because I still didn't spend a whole lot of money on both of them. And then, you know, they come out with certain things like the Barkeep. Now, the Barkeep, I did a couple videos on it because I did one where I changed the plow handle into the bird's head grip handle. So I did spend a little bit more money on that. And then they started making the 22 Magnum cylinders with the engraved pictures on them and stuff. So I got this one, the Barkeep. So I got the one with the aces and eights, the dead man's hand on the cylinder in 22 Magnum. So I fell for that too. So I ended up with it. And I also bought the Rough Rider Rancher, which is the carbine, the rifle version of this thing. And I thought, man, I really like the revolving carbines. And this one, this is probably the most expensive one I bought. And I think I paid like $259 for it or something like that. You can actually find them a little bit cheaper now because the market's kind of getting saturated, so the prices are coming down on them a little bit. And again, it's 22 long rifle. You can put the 22 Magnum cylinder in there. And then they come out with different special edition versions of them. So I ended up picking up this one, which is their Western Heroes, I guess, version, something like that. And this is the Wyatt Earp. It's got a 12-inch barrel on it, and it's got the laser engraved grips on there with the Wyatt Earp on there. And they also make them in a couple different versions, so I'll probably end up picking those up too because, like I said, it's still, they're inexpensive and they're fun. All right, now in addition to the Barkeep, they also come out with the new for this year, 2022, the Barkeep Boot, which if you see that thing, that's the tiny short barrel on there. And you can see it's still got the tag on it. I have not taken, several of these I have not taken out and shot yet. And this one's got the pretty cool laser engraved rattlesnake grip on it. And I thought, well, that's, I got to do it, you know, it's pretty cool. And again, they're inexpensive, so I fell for it. So I've got a little collection of the Heritage revolvers here in different styles and everything. And of course you can buy one and change the grips on it if you want, but really it's not that much more expensive to just buy another one. And the next thing you know, you end up with, I don't know, 8, 10, 12, whatever. There's still a few more out there I want to get, but that's kind of deceptive marketing. It just keeps you buying more and more and more of them. Actually, it's pretty good marketing anyways. Thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. If you could, hit this button up here to check out some of my other videos. Hit this button right here to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching my addiction here.